What is a business startup? The term business startup refers to a company in the first stages of operations. Startups are founded by one or more entrepreneurs who want to develop a product or service for which they believe there is demand. These companies generally start with high costs and limited revenue, which is why they look for capital from a variety of sources such as venture capitalists. These companies generally start with high costs and limited revenue, which is why they look for capital from a variety of sources such as venture capitalists. Startups are companies or ventures that are focused around a single product or service that the founders want to bring to market. These companies typically don't have a fully developed business model and, more crucially, lack adequate capital to move on to the next phase of business. Most of these companies are initially funded by their founders. Many startups turn to others for more funding: family, friends, and venture capitalists. Silicon Valley is known for its strong venture capitalist community and is a popular destination for startups, but is also widely considered the most demanding arena. Startups can use seed capital to invest in research and to develop their business plans. Market research helps determine the demand for a product or service, while a comprehensive business plan outlines the company's mission statement, visions, and goals. Startups must decide whether their business is conducted online, in an office or home office, or in a store. The location depends on the product or service being offered. For example, a technology startup selling virtual reality hardware may need a physical storefront to give customers a face-to-face demonstration of the product's complex features. Startups can use seed capital to invest in research and to develop their business plans. Market research helps determine the demand for a product or service, while a comprehensive business plan outlines the company's mission statement, visions, and goals. Startups need to consider what legal structure best fits their entity. A sole proprietorship is suited for a founder who is also the key employee of a business. Partnerships are a viable legal structure for businesses that consist of several people who have joint ownership, and they're also fairly straightforward to establish. Personal liability can be reduced by registering a startup as a limited liability company (LLC). Startups often raise funds by turning to family and friends or by using venture capitalists. This is a group of professional investors that specialize in funding startups. The entrepreneur sets up a crowdfunding page online, allowing people who believe in the company to donate money.
Picking the right affiliate marketing program to promote all boils down to ROI. Make no mistake, if you want to succeed with your affiliate marketing business, you have to focus on ROI. If you have a fuzzy idea of what return on investment means, you're playing the game wrong. How do I maximize my income while minimizing my effort? For every minute I spend on doing something, how do I maximize the amount of dollars coming out of that activity? Both these factors must be at play. You always have to constantly filter all your affiliate marketing decisions through these principles. Otherwise, you're not going to make much money in this game. A lot of people get the order wrong. They often build their whole business around an affiliate program. But you don't want to hit a point where you lose passion. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the importance of modern affiliate marketing strategies. You will learn to identify niches based on ROI and other crucial factors. You will understand modern conversion systems. You can begin to understand different monetization methods. You're going to learn exactly how to put a heavy focus on the commercial value of your niche. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies. Unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing in 4 steps. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Picking your niches based on ROI and other crucial factors. Picking the right affiliate program to maximize conversions. How to create niche-focused conversion systems. Traffic generation strategies. Traffic optimization strategies. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know how affiliate marketing works. You want to become a successful affiliate marketer. You know that you are playing the game wrong. You want to use modern affiliate marketing strategies. You want to learn how to get the most return for every dollar you spend on your business. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to apply modern affiliate marketing strategies, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you.
Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to make money online. If you've been struggling to make a single cent online, this is your opportunity today. Amazon.com's best-selling author is going to show and teach you how to make real money online for free. Stop searching for magic pills. You should know that they don't exist at all. Instead, just follow these 4 simple steps. You can be making your very first $100 online. Make sure to follow the training step by step to make money online within the next 2 weeks. And most importantly, you will finally have a proven method that can make consistent internet income. Now, click the link in the description below to get your course now. The hardest part for newbies is to get started and to make their very first $100 online. Once you've made your $100, you will know how easy it is to make money online by just following the right steps. Access the best-selling author's training and software now. Click the link in the description below and start now. Before you continue and watch the rest of this video, please allow me to explain why I'm doing this for free now. His name is Patrick Chan and he has taught tens of thousands of students worldwide. As much as I want to help you today, I hope you can understand that he is doing this for the benefit of himself too. After more than a decade of being in this business, he has realized that the real reason why someone achieves success or fail is not strictly based on the methods that they have learned, it's based on that person's mindset for success, their drive if you like. So he has wrote the book, Wake Up Millionaire, to teach this, and he is blessed knowing that it has achieved best-selling book in Amazon.com's self-help category for Kindle in the past. After he has trained you for free, he hope you'll buy a copy of it as well because he think it can help you to completely rewire your mindset. But of course, if you feel that you've already conditioned your mindset for real success, then it's totally up to you. If you don't want to read it, he would still be happy to help you start an internet business. Now, I will tell you about his free course. The course's name is the Operation Quick Money System. The Operation Quick Money is a system that he has developed to help you to make money online. Simply how it sounds, the system is about how you can get started quickly to make your very first $100. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and work to achieve, but when you follow the right steps, the work you put in can finally create the success that you've been looking for. Step 1. Use our Offer Finder app to find products. The easiest way to get started and make some money online is to promote other companies' products and make a commission from therein. The reason is, the company has already developed the unique product to sell. Your simple task is to send traffic back to their website. With the Offer Finder app, the software will help you to research hundreds of products that you can promote, and you'll earn commission as high as 70%. Step 2. Creating your website. Once this is done, you'll need to create a website to promote these products online. Inside our training area, Patrick will teach you how to put up a website up both quickly and easily. If you're willing to learn and follow the steps carefully, I think you can complete this as quickly as 1 or 2 days. Step 3. Promoting the offer to make money online. During this step, Patrick will share with you how to promote the offer that you've selected on your website. When a website visitor comes to your webpage and buys the offer you've recommended, you'll automatically be credited with some commission. And to make money online, it's really as simple as that. And last step, driving free traffic to your website. Finally, all you now need is to get traffic to your website. So during this final step, Patrick is going to share with you how to get traffic to your website for absolutely free. The Offer Finder app and the entire training course is web-based. This means all of the training is provided online, 100% of it. This way, we'll also be able to update the training courses conveniently for you. To get started, simply register a free membership account. Click the link in description below to register a membership account. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.